this is the black is cold and the white is hot. And normally in our cooling method, it will not see through hair and glass. But in our cooling method, you could actually see. You could see how warm his arm is. You could see the vascular. This is the vascular marking. Some of the things you can't see that you know with this, like you can see the veins. You might not be able to see through the skin.
Wow.
Okay.
And that's because of the blood flow, the heat that's created. And if you touch your shirt, and let your hand go.
Oh wow.
Yeah, those are things we can see. One of the things we do is we don't when you do any type of exam, we don't want you if you get an itch, you like this, you'll see it right away, prominent. Or during the water challenge, if you drip a piece of water out here, you can see just like a black spot. Or when they stick their hands in ice water, you could actually see the veins shutting down. Sometimes it depends on the individual.
So you do black and white versus the color ones that you normally see?
We do both.
Okay.
The program is set so that it will automatically create a color. Let me just shut the
So what are the
capture.
advantages to using the color or the black and white?
Color just basically shows heat distribution.
Okay.
The black and white shows actual vascularity.
Wow.
For instance, you can look at this. You can see vascularity. Now, this is something you wouldn't normally see.
Wow.
So this is abnormal.
Yeah, well, not necessarily, but it's just
color.
you wouldn't see this, but this could be. It could be. Things like this could be problems. You could see possible infection here. And these are vascularity moves. Could be. Maybe this is what I meant about early stage diabetes. The fingers are kind of blacked out or bitten out. Shows poor blood flow, and then we can colorize it here, and we go from hot to cold, and you can see that it's fairly cool. It's more down in these range, even though it's vascular. And vascularity doesn't necessarily mean bad. It could be your hereditary. It could be your could be because of birth control pills or from things like.
So is that considered? Oh, the big black red spot right in there.
Yeah. So you got. There's a this could be like an ear infection. Could be some infection in this area because it's actually so hot it's off the scale.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Those are little things that you can see. Again, with the vascularity that we saw, here's the colorized version. You can see there's a lot of heat in that area. Maybe an impingement nerve or something. And this could be, even though the pain might be real here, it could be coming from somewhere else along the, anywhere from the neck on down.
Yeah.
Because it can be referred. So those are, basically some of the things you can see.
Very cool. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
It's just amazing that you can do that much with technology.